You might be accidentally ruining your SEO because Google is serving one page of your site to mobile users and a completely different page of your site to desktop users for the same keyword. Now, this is called device cannibalization, and this is an issue because it confuses Google and prevents any single page from gaining the momentum it needs to rank as high as possible. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can force Google to pick your best page so you can stop fighting against your own content. Now, when you have one website, Google shouldn't be picking two different pages for the same keyword. So for this keyword right here, Google is actually ranking different pages, not just one page, unfortunately. And for each one of these pages, some get more clicks from desktop than on mobile. Now, if this is happening to your website, it's usually because your site's structure is sending mixed signals, making Google guess which page is better for a phone versus a desktop. So I want to suggest three main ways to fix your device cannibalization. The first thing you want to do is check your main navigation and make sure the navigation is consistent across mobile and desktop versions. So you want to make sure your main pages are linked clearly in both your mobile hamburger menu and also your desktop header. Sometimes the mobile hamburger menu might remove links that would normally be on your desktop navigation. So you want to make sure links from both mobile and desktop navigation menus are consistent, right? They're both there. You'll also want to consolidate content if necessary as well. So if two pages are so similar that Google is swapping them, you might want to merge them into one super page to stop them from competing with each other. So for example, maybe these two pages have very similar content. What I could potentially do is move the content from this page to this page. So basically merging the content together, giving a strong signal to Google that this is the main page that it should show for both desktop and mobile users. You'll also want to fix any on-page signals as well. So ensuring your H1 tags and metadata on the wrong page aren't accidentally optimized for the keyword on the right page should own. Now, this actually happens quite a bit when I'm optimizing websites. A lot of the times, the H1 tags and even the titles are targeting, the same keyword. So essentially, the pages are optimized for the wrong keyword. And so you want to make sure you're not sending the wrong signals to Google. Now, you could review your Google Search Console manually and go through the tedious process of seeing which pages are getting more traffic from desktop versus mobile for your main keywords. Or what I recommend is using the device cannibalization report from Website Ranking Checker. So this is a free tool that connects directly to your Google Search Console, and it does all of that tedious work for you and creates this helpful graph. So this report shows you the keywords where Google serves a different landing page on desktop versus mobile. So for my website, I have 23 keywords with this issue, and the biggest ones are right here. So these are the most affected pages. So for this top page, we could see there are 7 keywords that are ranking for this URL. And if we look closer, the page is getting 548 desktop impressions and 582 mobile impressions. And you could actually see the exact 7 keywords, and they are listed out in this table right here. So 3 out of the 7 are ranking for desktop and 4 out of the 7 are ranking for mobile. So for each one of these keywords, we can see the difference in the desktop position and mobile position, including the difference in impressions. So looking at this data could get pretty overwhelming. But if you scroll down to this table right here, you can get all of your answers. So for each one of these keywords, you could see the exact landing page that's ranking for both desktop and mobile users, including their respective position, clicks, and impressions. So again, these URLs are essentially competing with each other on mobile and desktop for this keyword. So again, to fix that device cannibalization, try to focus on these three main things first. So make sure the navigation is consistent, consolidate content if you have to, and fix on-page signals you are sending to Google. And to help keep track of everything, you can click on the Add Task button to move this over to your tasks list so you could view your to-do list and work on all of your SEO tasks just by following this table right here. So as you could see, you could be missing out on higher rankings and, more importantly, traffic. So go ahead and check out the device cannibalization report right now, and I'll include a link to the website ranking checker website down in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.